with that.
I got you.
I didn't hear Mr. College.
The 26th of January 2025, Fresno, California. 3 armed men break into an apartment and try to escape with a stolen safe. One suspect drives his SUV straight at an officer, forcing police to fire. This footage shows the chaos as a burglary turns into a life-threatening confrontation.
Hi, there's an armed robbery going down at Maplewood condominiums right now.
What's the full address there?
North Backer Avenue, what unit?
And there's like 4 or 5 of them. They all got guns.
My neighbor just came to my house knocking.
They broke into my window and they said Fresno Police Department. And
Okay.
I looked out the people for a second. It wasn't cops, and I ran out the back door.
And you guys are in unit.
Yeah.
I'm in unit. House robberies.
I see them just keep going back and forth grabbing.
They got guns and stuff, and there's looting his house.
Hardware. It's in the middle of the complex. It's in the middle of the complex.
Copy.
It is here. They hold shot for you to let go.
Oh, thank God, there.
Forward to King 4PM. Give me stay right there! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! I got the car on the south side. Get on the ground! Don't move! They're trying to drive away. Don't move! Don't move! King 14, they're going back towards you. Stop right there! We're 11. Shots fired! Shots fired! Stop right there!
Pick up your head.
Freeze! Watch out! Watch out! Down! Food! Shots fired! Oh, goddamn! Give me your hand! There's a guy in the car still! There's another guy in the car still. Another guy in the car. Let me get that.
I got you.
I need to give it closer to the college. That maple is gone.
Hey, I'm gonna put this in my car.
2 suspects were arrested at the scene, and 1 was later taken into custody. Firearms were recovered, and the suspects now face multiple felony charges.